Are you tired of manually resizing every image you upload to WordPress? In today's quick and clear tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to automatically resize images in WordPress when uploading them, saving you time and keeping your website visually consistent. First, open your web browser and head over to the WordPress website. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click on Log In. This will begin the login process. Next, choose Continue with Google to simplify authentication using your Google account. From the prompt that appears, select the Google account you want to use. Once confirmed, you'll be instantly signed in to your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're inside your account, it's time to adjust your site's image settings. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Settings. This section allows you to control various aspects of your website's behavior. From here, choose the Media option. This is where you'll manage how WordPress handles images and other media files. Inside the media settings, you'll see options that define image dimensions for different types of uploads. This is where the magic happens. You'll find three main image categories: thumbnail size, medium size, and large size. Each one determines how images are displayed across your site. Adjust the width and height for each category according to your design preferences. For example, if your thumbnails appear too large in your theme, you can reduce their dimensions here. Likewise, you can set medium and large image sizes that best suit your page layouts or post designs. This ensures every image you upload automatically conforms to these preset dimensions, saving you from repetitive resizing tasks later. Once you've customized the sizes, scroll down and click Save Changes. This step is crucial. It tells WordPress to apply your new settings for all future uploads. From this point on, every image you upload will automatically resize to your chosen dimensions, maintaining uniformity across your site. And that's it. You've just configured WordPress to automatically resize images upon upload. No coding, no plugins, just simple built-in settings. This not only streamlines your workflow, but also helps improve page loading speed and overall visual consistency. By following this guide, you've taken a small yet powerful step toward keeping your website optimized and professional looking. Thanks for watching and enjoy your faster, cleaner WordPress experience.